your math teacher for today, Sir SF. Welcome to our Math 8 episode. Let's go! Magnood at magtuto sa Math TV Ayos! Okay, math learners, before we start our episode, please bring out your module, your book, your pen, and your notebook to take down notes some important matter of our lesson. Start and enjoy! Welcome to our fourth episode. Today, I will discuss about operations on rational algebraic expressions. So, at the end of our lesson, you are expected to letter A, add and subtract rational algebraic expressions. Letter B, multiply rational algebraic expressions. And letter C, divide rational algebraic expressions. First, let us discuss on how to add and subtract rational algebraic expressions with like denominators. We have here some steps in adding or subtracting rational algebraic expression with like denominators. Number 1, add or subtract the numerators. Step 2, copy the common denominator. And step 3, simplify the result. Okay, so let's have an example. Number 1. We have 5 over 4b plus 3 over 4b. Applying the first step, we're going to add the given numerators. So we have 5 plus 3 is equal now to 8. Second one, copy the common denominator. Since we have the common denominator, just copy the common denominator, 4b. So we have 8 over 4b. And the last one, we're going to simplify the result by dividing both numerator and denominator by 4. So we have 8 divided by 4 is equal now to 2. And 4b divided by 4 is equal now to b. So the answer is equal now to 2 over b. Okay, so let's have example number 2. We have 8 over 5a minus 3 over 5a. Okay, the first step, we're going to subtract the given numerators. And 8 minus 3 is equal now to 5. After that, we're going to copy the common denominator. And the common denominator is equal to 5a. Therefore, we have 5 over 5a. The third one, we're going to simplify the result. To simplify 5 over 5a, divide both numerator and denominator by 5. So we have 5 divided by 5 is equal now to 1. And 5a divided by 5 is equal now to a. So the answer is equal now to 1 over a. Okay, so that's it. Next, how to add and subtract rational algebraic expression with different denominators. Okay, so we have here's some procedures to follow. First one, find the least common denominator or the LCD. Second, write the equivalent expression of each rational expression using the LCD. The third, add or subtract the numerators and keep the LCD. And the last one, simplify the result if possible. Okay, so let's have an example. Number 1, we have 4a over 3 plus a over 4. If you notice, the denominators are not the same. So applying the first, we're going to find the least common denominator or LCD. So what is the LCD of 3 over 4? Okay, so we have 12. Second one, after finding the LCD, write the equivalent expression of each rational expression using the LCD. So what's the equivalent of the first rational and the second rational using our LCD? To find the equivalent of first rational, we have 12 divided by the original, the denominator of the first rational, which is 3. So we have 12 divided by 3 is equal now to 4. Multiply the given numerator 4a, so the product is equal now to 16a. The second rational, we have 12 divided by 4 is equal now to 3. Multiply the numerator a, so we have 3a. After that, add or subtract the numerators and keep the LCD. Since we have now the common denominator, 12, so this time we're going to add only the given numerators. So 16a plus 3a is equal now to 19a over 12. Okay, the last one, simplify the result if possible. If you notice, our result now is in simplified form. Therefore, the answer or the final answer is equal to 19a over 12. Okay, so example number 2. We have 10a over 5 minus a over 2. Okay, first we're going to find the LCD. So the LCD of the given rationals, we have 10. Since the denominators, we have 5 and 2. After that, write the equivalent expression of each rational expression using the LCD. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, multiplied by 10a, we have 20a. The second one, 10 divided by 2 is equal now to 5, multiplied by a is equal now to 5a. Then add or subtract the third, we have add or subtract the numerators and keep the LCD. Okay, so this time we're going to subtract the given numerators. So 20a minus 5a is equal now to 15a. Then copy the given LCD. And after that, we're going to simplify the result. To simplify 15a over 10, divide both sides by 5. And 15a divided by 5 is equal now to 3a. And 10 divided by 5 is equal now to 2. Therefore, we have 3a over 2 for the final answer. Okay, so this time, how to multiply rational algebraic expressions. Okay, we have here some steps to be followed. We have number 1, multiply both numerators and denominators. Second, write its numerator and denominator in factored form. Third, cancel out factors common to the numerator and denominator. And the last one, multiply the remaining numerators and the remaining denominators, then simplify. Okay, so let's have an example number 1. 5t over 8 times 4 over 3t. Okay, applying the first step, we're going to multiply both numerators and denominators. So what are the product for our numerator? We have 5t and 4, that's equivalent now to 20t. And the product of 8 and 3t, we have 24t. Second one, write its numerator and denominator in factored form. Okay, so we're going to find the prime factors of 20 and 24, or 20t and 24. So we have the prime factors. We have 2 times 2 times 5 times, and the factors of 24t, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times t. Okay, after finding the factor, we have cancel out the factors common, the numerator and denominator. Okay, so 2 cancel out, another 2 is cancel out,
And the last one, we have the given variable t is also cancel out. To find the final answer, multiply the remaining numerators and the remaining denominators, then simplify. Since we have the only one remaining numerators, that is equal now to 5. Okay, so copy 5. Then multiply the remaining denominators. We have 2 and 3. So we have now 6. Multiply 2 and 3. So we have now 6. So the answer is equal now to 5, 6 or 5 over 6. Okay, so let's have an example number 2. X plus 3 over 9 times 27 over x plus 3. Okay, the first step now, multiply both numerators and denominators. So the product, we have 27 times x plus 3, then 9 times x plus 3. Okay, write the numerator and denominators in factored form. So we have the factor of the prime factors of 27. We have 3 times 3 times 3 times x plus 3. And our denominator now, we have the factors of 9, or the prime factors of 9 are 3 and 3 times x plus 3. Okay, we're going to cancel the common factors of the given numerator and denominator. So 3 is out or cancel out. Also another 3 cancel out. And the given binomial, we have x plus 3 cancel out. After that, multiply the remaining numerators and the remaining denominators, then simplify. Okay, so the remaining numerator, we have only 1, that is equal now to 3. Since we have no remaining denominators, therefore the answer is automatically equal to 1. So simplify 3 over 1, the answer is equal now to 3. Okay, so this time we're going to divide rational algebraic expressions. How to divide? Okay, so we have number 1, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Second, write its numerator and denominator in factored form. Third, cancel out factors common to the numerator and denominator. And the fourth one, multiply the remaining numerators and the remaining denominators, then simplify. So let's have an example number 1. We have 20a over 3 divided by 10a over 9. So applying now the first step, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, so our dividend, we have 20a over 3. Just copy the first rational. Then from divide, we're going to multiply the reciprocal of 10 over 10a over 9. We have 9 over 10a. So find the product of 20a and 9. That is equivalent now to 180a. And the product of our denominators, we have 3 and 10a. Therefore, we have 30a. Okay, so after that, we're going to find the factors or the possible factors of the given numerators and denominators. So the prime factors of 180, we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times a. The prime factors of 30a, we have 2 times 3 times 5 times a. Okay, so after that, we're going to cancel out the common factors, both numerator and denominator. So cancel out 2. We have common number 3 and common 5 number, and we have common variable a. So those are cancelled. Okay, after cancelling the factors, the common factors of both numerator and denominator, we're going to multiply the remaining numerators and the remaining denominators, then simplify. Okay, we have the remaining numerators 2 and 3, so the product is equal now to 6. Since we have no remaining denominators, so we have equal to 1. and 6 over 1, or 6 divided by 1 is equal now to 6. Last sample, we have sample number 2, x minus 5 over 7 divided by x minus 5 over 21. Okay, the first step now, we're going to multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, we have the dividend x minus 5 over 7 times the reciprocal of x minus 5 over 21. We have 21 over x minus 5. Then find the product. We have 21 multiplied by x minus 5, and 7 multiplied by x minus 5 is equal to 7 multiplied by x minus 5. Then write its numerator and denominator in factored form by finding the prime factors of the given number 21. So we have the given factor. We have 3 times 7 times x minus 5. And we have only one factor of number 7 except 1. So we have 7 times x minus 5. Okay, therefore, we're going to cancel out the common factors, both numerator and denominator. So 7 is cancelled out. Also, x minus 5 is cancelled out. Okay, so multiply the remaining numerators and remaining denominators, then simplify. So we have only one remaining numerator. We have 3. Therefore, if we have no remaining denominator, the answer is equal now to 1. So 3 over 1 or 3.
Okay, so this time, bring out your pen and your notebook to answer the given problem. Each problem, you'll be given 15 seconds to answer the problem. Okay, so are you ready now? Answer, try it, number 1. Okay, learners, what is your answer for try it number 1? Good job, learners. Your answer is correct. We have 2B. Okay, so this time, try to answer try it number 2. So what is your answer for our problem? Excellent, learners. Your answer is correct. We have 3D. Good job, learners. Goodbye and see you to our next episode.